Hello! In this video, we're going to look at the data list section. To do this, we'll go to the top right of our STEL order. Settings, Basic Settings, Data Lists. Data lists allows us to organize and categorize the essential information of our company. First, we have payment methods. By default, the software shows us a list of payment methods, but we can delete or add as many as we want. In this case, we're going to create a new payment method called by Zoom. If we save it and go to the Customers module, when selecting or creating a new customer, under the payment info, we'll be able to choose the payment method called by Zoom. This way, when creating any documents related to that customer, the selected payment method will appear by default. Second and third, we are shown the categories for customers, suppliers, and products. For example, if we create a new product category called Heating and Cooling Services, we can go to the Customers module, and by clicking this gear icon, we can choose to display the customer category column for filtering. In this case, if we enter heating, it will show the customers related to that category. The same applies to supplier and product categories. Fourth, we have shipping methods. We can delete or add as many as we want. In this case, the software shows Company 1 or Company 2 by default, but if we want to create a specific carrier called SEUR, we can do so and click Save, so we can later select it when creating an order. Fifth, we have Type of Event. We can add, edit, or change the color of all our events, or even delete them. In this case, we're going to add a new event called Visit. We'll choose the corresponding color to help identify it and click Save. Then, when we go to the Calendar module and create a new event, we'll select the type, in this case Visit, so it will be saved with the chosen color. This is how it will appear. Sixth, we have expense categories. By default, the software shows a list of expense categories, but we can add or remove as many as we want. In this case, we're going to create a new expense category called Rent. We'll choose whether it is an expense or an investment and click Save, so it will later appear in Receipts and Other Expenses. Under Project Category, we can also create as many projects as we want to help identify the projects we carry out. In this case, we can create a new project called House Project. We'll select a color to help identify it and click Save. This way, once we access projects, we'll be able to select the project category that helps identify it. Finally, we have Types of Job Request. Here we can add, delete, correct, or edit the corresponding issue types, as well as identify them with a color. In this case, we're going to create a new type of job request called Security Incident. We'll choose a color to help identify it, in this case pink, and save it. Then, when we go to the Jobs module and create a new job request, we'll be able to select it under Type of Job Request. We'll save it, and in the job requests list, we'll be able to choose whether we want the type of job request to be displayed. This way, we'll be able to filter the column according to its type. In this case, it would be Security Incident. I hope this video has been helpful, and remember, STEL Order makes your life and your business much easier.